guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This week's vlog is Salon Renovations part 1, and this week's vlog is going to be all about the demo. Stay tuned and I hope you enjoy watching us have some fun and absolutely ripping this place apart. Like I'm not hitting the food. Yeah. That's what I'm gonna do. Alright. What was that?
It's just a tube.
Smile!
Feel that unconditional.
No. I have a bruise on my ankle. I'm weak. It's weird, isn't it? 1963. Do you feel strong? You're like, oh yeah. There it is, there it is. Oh, there's a fireplace. That's cool.
Still got ash in it.
Oh wow. Day one of demo is done and we got through so much more than we thought we were going to get through. We literally removed the whole mezzanine. We've still got the stairs there because we just have to keep them up for the builder deciding what we're going to do with them. The floors, tomorrow we're going to rip up all the floors and then pull out the platforms at the front and then just start working on the wall. We'll see you tomorrow for day two. I'm a little bit tired today. My allergies were insane last night after all the dust and everything. So I had the shittest sleep, but that's okay. I've got my coffee and I'm about to head down to the salon. It's so cool renovating an old place. We found this note from 1973. So Audine's, the shop that was in here before me, has been around for such a long time and there's so much history in here, so it's so cool to find all this stuff. Cheers, Adam. Boys were about to put the tools down and call it a day, they all of a sudden got this burst of energy and then this happened. This is the reason why we have to rip up the floor and redo it. Old termite damage.
Hold on to it.
That was hard.
Now she's been wondering why we're sweating on this.
Yeah,
Why are you so sweating?
it's hard work, that's why.
Alright, I'm done.
Done gardening?
Cheers.
Cheers.
So it's tools down and we're calling it a day. The boys have done an amazing job. Demo day 3. How badly do I want coffee? The Macca's lineup is huge. Look. I'm nearly there. Hello, can I please grab a bacon and egg McMuffin meal with a small almond latte?
Yep. Anything else?
That's all, thank you.
Yep, 950.
Thank you. Hi, thank you.
And this is everything.
Thank you. See ya. Hi. Down for demo. What a weekend. I hope you've had a really good Easter. We've had a really fun time in here ripping this place apart, as you can see. It's really funny because last Easter we were actually in the Melbourne Salon and we repainted, we put new basins in, so it's kind of like an annual thing at the moment to do renos around Easter time. I'm rocking my dad's tee today. It's the first time I've worn one of his clothes, so it's a little bit emotional, but there's so many things happening right now and he's like one of the people who I would share all of this with and get his ideas and opinions with, so it just makes me miss him more and more every day, but I know he will be proud. He is my motivation to keep going and keep doing and just keep moving forward and achieving my goals. I just want to say a huge thank you to everyone who helped this weekend for demo and gave up your time this long weekend. I really appreciate it, and you've done such an amazing job to get this place to this point in just 2 days. Like, wow. I tried to do as much as I could, but as you saw in day 1, I am weak and I'm no good at demo. But it was actually really fun. It was kind of like, felt like we're in a smash room, you know, the smash rooms in Melbourne. So it was kind of fun just to like hammer stuff and then leaving all the big jobs to the boys. I need to go rest because I'm really tired. It's been a big weekend. I'm gonna go eat some chocolate. Thanks for watching again. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel.